what's going on, guys? SRT Wolf here. So in today's video, we're going to be debadging my Scatpack back there. Now, in the time that I've owned my car, I've placed some questionable badges, thinking, hey, you know, that might be a good idea, but now they're kind of hideous to look at. Anyways, so the badges I'm going to be removing today is this one right here. So there's one on the other side of the fender. The Scatpack badges I placed here. Now, originally when I bought this Scatpack badge, I was going to place it either in the front grille or the tail on the back, but I didn't realize that these were very small. Are you kidding me right now? Sorry about that, guys. So like I was saying, I was gonna buy this, or I bought this and thought about placing it in the grill or the tail, but I didn't realize how small this badge really is. You know, when you compare it to the original factory badge that I got at the dealership, you know, this is really, really small. So to put that on the tail or the front grill, you could hardly even see it. So I'm gonna be removing this because I have applied a Scatpack decal design on my car. Now, if you've been following me on Instagram or seen my latest YouTube videos, this is a new design that I put on the car, and it already says Scatpack right there. So to have, you know, two visual cues that say Scatpack on the same side is kind of, you know, redundant. So today's video, we're going to be removing this. We're going to be doing the best that we can to not damage the paint. So let's get on with the tools that I'm going to be using. Alright guys, so the tools I'll be using in this video are a heat gun that I got from Home Depot. This was very inexpensive, cost me about 25 bucks. Now, you don't necessarily have to go out and buy a heat gun. Most people use a hair dryer. Just anything that can heat the adhesive to the point where it starts melting and it'll be easier to pry off without damaging the paint. I'm also going to be using this thin plastic strip. Now, a lot of people use dental floss. Honestly, you just need something very thin and durable to get behind the badge and pry it off. Now, once you pry off that badge, there's still going to be some adhesive that's still stuck on the paint. Now, I got this adhesive remover. I think it was about $6, and that's going to help you remove the remaining residue that stays from the badge off the paint. So, 3 very inexpensive things: heat gun or hair dryer, dental floss or something very thin and durable to pry off the badge, and then adhesive remover to remove that remaining piece of adhesive. So let's get started and remove that badge. I keep running.
There's a long road just behind you. Everything else comes so fast. Memories are all inside you.
Now, this is why you should actually use dental floss, because it is a lot, you know, thinner than this plastic that I'm using. But luckily, it seems that I can actually peel this off very easily. So here's the badge that fell off nice and clean. So all the adhesive actually stayed on here, so that was a little weird, and there wasn't too much damage to the badge. I might keep this actually, but this is the sticky stuff that you want to get rid of. Just kind of want to lift it up a little bit, maybe just try to yank that off. So you see we still got some adhesive right here. That's going to be the residue that you're going to be removing with the adhesive remover. Now, I have to tell you guys, be very, very careful that these heat guns really heat up the badge to the point where they can burn you. So I'm using a glove because, you know, I don't want to get burned. Now you see there's still some more sticky stuff here, so we're going to be using the gun again to really soften all this off, all this area right here. I'm also trying to be very careful with my badge up here because this is actually becoming a little bit wobbly, so the heat from this is actually spreading to this badge here. So I want to be very careful and not damage this one right here. Alright guys, so for the adhesive remover, I'm going to be using this regular dishwasher cloth that I have just to remove this little bit here. As you can see, the badge came off pretty clean from the very beginning. I was managed to take off the whole badge, and then just the sticky adhesive strip was left. So I just heated that up again, managed to peel it off nice and easily. So now we just have this. A lot of this is actually dust, I'm noticing. Right here though, we do have some adhesive, so this is basically what we're going to be using the adhesive remover for, to remove all this here so it comes out nice and clean. Nothing like some good old-fashioned elbow grease. Alright guys, there you have it. Both badges are now off the car. And quite honestly, I miss not having those badges there. Anyways, the paint is untouched, nice and clean. And yeah, both badges came off very easily. Hope this video helps you guys out in the future if you're looking to debadge your car. If you guys like the video, leave a like down below. Really appreciate it, guys. And leave a comment. You guys can contact me on Instagram or YouTube. I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. So as always, guys, this is SRT Wolf signing out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
There's nothing to fear.